Welcome to COMO Parrot Cay and the family beach house. I am here and wanted to get a video of this stunning villa that we have here. So we have 2 bedrooms. Look at that, gorgeous entry. This is a huge living area. So COMO Parrot Cay does have an adult-only pool, but they welcome families, and here you can bring your family. You've got 2 twin beds in this bedroom, and then we'll come over to the master. There is a bathroom in the twin bedroom, so you have that. You also have a great wet bar area. Here is the master. We'll take a peek at the bathroom. Come through here. Beautiful bathroom. And of course, a great outdoor shower. You have an indoor for those that want indoor, but you're in paradise. We are here in Turks and Caicos. So, me personally, I will be enjoying the outdoor shower. Come around to access to the private beach area that you have. Huge pool. So this really, for families that are looking to escape, want some privacy, don't need water slides and everything that comes with a lot of the family-friendly resorts. You have this, so you have direct access to a stunning beach, and obviously a huge pool, so great size pool. But the beach club, where they have the family-friendly pool, they do have the adult-only pool, but the family-friendly pool is, I don't know, maybe a 2-minute walk from here. So you get the best of both worlds. You get privacy, you can enjoy your villa without ever leaving. There's obviously room service, but the beach club is gorgeous. So great when you want to go have a main pool, enjoy the beach club, grab lunch. They serve up until 11 p.m. So if you're not in the mood for dining at one of their restaurants, you can enjoy the beach club until 11 p.m. So again, this is COMO Parrot Cay, and I'm in a family beachfront villa.